Spurs on the right, in the all-white strip, Wolves in their famous old gold shirts and black shorts. A unique occasion in European football where two famous English clubs contest the final of a European competition. Spurs, the first English side to win in Europe when they won the European Cup Winners' Cup in 1963, and these Wolves here recapturing the glories of their club in the late 1950s when they hoped to lead the way into Europe. A perfect setting on a balmy summer evening, a surprising amount of grass on this good-looking Tottenham pitch. And away from the players to the capacity all-ticket crowd. And it'll be Martin Peters hitting one, and Mullery's got it! Alan Mullery! He's done it! They watch for Chivers, and they watch for England, and it's Mullery who's gone in to get a vital goal for Spurs. Beautifully taken with his head. So there's the free kick taken by Martin Peters. Mullery getting in before Hegan and before Parks. A beautifully taken free kick goal, and Mullery is in trouble. Beale who got it away. Oh, and a great goal! A great goal there. So Wagstaff is the man who scores it. Tremendous left foot drive against the post to make it 1-1.
So it's celebration time. Spurs, the first British side to win 2 European trophies. From the left, Joe Kinnear, Cyril Knowles, Ralph Coates, Martin Peters, Phil Beale, and about to pour the champagne, Martin Chivers. So Spurs have now won the Cup Winners' Cup and the UEFA Cup.